Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to find and copy your CBank referral code and receive free rewards. So dito ay makaka-receive tayo ng free rewards from CBanks kapag ginamit ang ating referral code or shinare natin ito sa ating mga kaibigan at iba pa. Kaya stay tuned ka lang para malaman ang step-by-step method dito at start na natin. So para makopy natin yung ating referral code dito sa CBanks, of course, kailangan natin mag-create ng ating CBanks account. Ayan, so ilalagay ko sa description box yung ating CBanks tutorial kung paano mag-create ng CBanks account at kung paano ba natin ito i-link sa Shopee. Alright, so start na natin. So una, kailangan natin mag-login dito sa ating CBanks account, dito sa ating CBanks application. So itap lang natin yan. And then enter your PIN. So enter lang natin. Okay, so once na-enter na natin ang ating PIN, so makikita mo dito yung ating CBanks account profile. Ang next step ay dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Me page or ito yung ating profile. So itap mo lang yan. And then next step dito sa ating homepage or ating profile ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Refer and Earn. Ito siya. So i-click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung ating referral code. So, refer and earn up to 1,000 pesos monthly. So, pwede mo na itong i-copy. I-click mo lang yung copy. And then, may mga information details naman regarding dito sa ating referral rewards. So, invite your friends to open an account via CBanks or Shopee app using your referral code. So upon account activations, ask your friend to make their first one-time deposit from any e-wallet or banks including CBanks at least 1,000 pesos. So ang kagandahan nito, ask your friend to keep 1,000 peso and their account for at least 3 days for you to get 100 peso while your friends gets 50 pesos naman mga kaibigan ang rewards na binibigay ni CBanks. To qualify for the reward, ask your friend to download or log in to the CBanks app if they registered using referral code on the Shopee apps. Ayan mga kaibigan, and dito yung complete informations regarding dito sa ating CBanks referral code. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to find and copy your CBanks referral code and receive free rewards. Full guide ito sa mga beginner. So, i-copy mo na itong aking referral code para makareceive ka ng free rewards. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.